Oh, it's perfect.
Hmm?
Perfect.
It will be when it's done. You're filming.
I'm filming. It's looking good. You have these special ways of making things the right height so you work along. Looking good.
Step by step. So I've filled this corner with setting plaster, and that'll set, and tomorrow I'll tape it.
Mm-hmm.
Fill the gap. And tomorrow I'll trim off that and fill it like I did those ones down there.
Oh yeah, that's good. No, actually, you don't have to take it right off. You can just
loosen them, right?
just loosen them.
And then you slide off the
That's right. Is this your own music, Willem? Is this your own music? I'm recording.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay, I just... Okay. He's on YouTube. Many places. Can you play March of the Dwarfs? You are? How can you ever get tired of that? Okay, that should be loose enough to
Think so?
slide. We'll see if it slides.
And I want to get more stable.
Okay, Willem, we need your help here.
Okay.
Your expert help.
Expert help you.
Well, even.
Needs to be loose.
Oh, I don't know. It slides if it's loose.
Okay, so
I'll push it up and you slide it to your side.
I got it here, yeah, it's coming. Now, are you going to be able to hold it when it gets all the way to the end?
No.
Okay.
We'll get almost to the end and then you can come down and
Okay.
hold it.
So there's just one holding it right now.
Yeah,
right?
we know. It's good.
Okay.
We're good.
Yeah, I'm coming down.
Okay.
Okay, it's still all the way to the end. That's it. We're going to put it down.
You can bring it in here, I suppose. It could have gone on top of this a while ago, but not anymore. Just somewhere over there, I guess.
Be careful with the piano.
This is a piano.
You want to put it where?
I don't know, somewhere.
Anywhere? Okay.
Anywhere. And it's
Anywhere.
blocking your door to your office.
Just right on top of the tree.
Oh, okay, that's a good idea.
Yeah, so not scratch. There we go. And then someone you can clean that.
Right. Mr. Clean.
Mr. Clean will clean your house. So everything is shining, Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean,
I
Mr.
see some tape. That tape has to come down. Isn't
Yes,
it?
indeed.
Brush.
This is the way the house was when we got it.
Oh, yeah.
It does not reach the ceiling. I mean, there's a big gap there through which comes the insulation from above.
And what's that wire box there? Is
Oh
that
yeah, that was there and it was disconnected.
good?
It goes nowhere.
I better close the piano.
Oh yes, the piano. Might want to close the door to the kitchen, actually, Willem. Quick, 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 quick.
Oh, quick what?
We gotta close the door to the kitchen. Need another extension. Don't pull it yet. Wait.
Where's the more scraping, I think.
Temperature. weird.
It seems colder outside.
Feels cold in here. What's happening with the wood stove in them?
Afternoon.
Well, it's
Can you stoke it?
500, well, but then it takes forever for these things to dry, but they can't put them
Well,
on about 3
we need to warm the house up, sweetie. That's more important than drying your stuff.
Oh. Alright, dear. Okay, yes, dear.
I'm glad we've got that all sorted out. So we're going to have I'm filming now. So we're going to have a closet in the corner. Because we really need a place for the boots and the coats. And so Les is going to use the 2x4s. And he's going to build it. These dishes came out of the cupboard. Or to get that down. Did you empty the whole cupboard? No. Isn't it nice to have all that electricity in there?
Oh, it really makes a difference.
It was so awful with only the one for the only one that we had was for the radio over there, and we had one right down here.
No, not enough.
Nope, and they weren't this kind of stuff either. I'll move your coat for you.
Definitely too twisted. Not pretty enough. Not too bad.